Hey, it's Mark here at Mark's Upholstery. I am going to bring you in on another project that I'm doing today. This project is cornice boards. All right, what we've got is two that are 90 inches long, 18 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. And then one that's 45 inches long, 18 tall, and 3 inches deep. The wood I'm using is what I consider about, a little over a ½ inch thick. It's kind of in the 5/8 area, plywood, and it's of a decent grade. If you were to buy this at like a Lowe's, it would be 4 green. And of course, over here you see the front panels, the two 90-inch panels and one 45-inch panel. All right, there's not a whole lot to these as far as framing. You got your front panel. You'll have a top recessed area for however thick they want it to come off the wall, and then a little side panel, and that side panel and the top panel are going to recess inside of the front panel. I'll show you how I do this. All right, what you see here is my shorter one. This is a 45-inch panel by 18. These two side pieces, they'll come up on the inside over there a sec, but let's see if we got it flush up there. You can see there's a little bit of a recess here, and that's to allow for this top board that'll sit on top like that. And same thing on this other side. This one will sit like that, and then the main board here will just sit on top of those. All right, I'll be using just regular yellow wood glue. These are 1.5 inch by 18 gauge brad nails for this gun. I've got a loaded strip in there ready to go. I'm only going to show the build on this small one because you can get the idea of how that's going to work all the way across on the big ones.